Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. It's so nice to meet you if you haven't visited my channel. So today we are going to be focusing on a everyday natural look that you can achieve. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. It looks like this. And baby, if you haven't heard about this or haven't used it, you need to. But I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it. This smells like, you know the slime that you would play with as a kid? Or the sticky hands? The ones that you get out of the little candy ball machines? That's what this smells like. And so it prolongs it. It's already a primer, but it's like an extra grip primer. Grabs onto your foundation. I hate myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC20 and the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC25. And what I do is I just mix a little bit of both together. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation first. Let me know how you guys like this camera, like how it's looking. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my, this is my Morphe sponge. I'm just gonna blend that in. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Max 24 Hours Studio Fix. I'm sorry if you hear my dogs in the background. They are very disrespectful. So I'm gonna be using the concealer, the 24 Hour Studio Fix in NW28. And I'm also gonna be using the Morphe C215 concealer. I like using a blend. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Butter Translucent Powder to set that. I'm gonna go back in with my makeup sponge over those areas we just highlighted with the concealer and just blend that in. If you're going out and you're still wanting to achieve this natural makeup look, but you want to look super sculpted, I would recommend using a cream contour. We're gonna go into the Fenty Beauty Butter Translucent Powder and just set the under eyes. My makeup tends to break right here where my nose is. Down my nose is right there, but like where it creases right there, it tends to break, and so I'll put extra powder in those areas so it just looks a little funky. Oh my god, I think I just sniffed some. Now that we're here, now we're done. Just kidding. I got problems. Now that we're here, I usually go in and do my brows. And I use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and this is in shade 6. And this is what this looks like. And so, can you focus? There you go. It has a little spoolie in. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera. But if you'd like to see my brow tutorial, go to my past videos. It's gonna be in my videos. I don't know how to put the link in here. No, I'm not gonna cry. We're just gonna pretend that my brows are twins today, okay? We know that they're not, but we're gonna pretend. I'm gonna take my concealer and put it on my eyelid, and this is gonna help create like an even canvas on your eyelid. Grab a little, this is my Crown Pro C529 brush, and it's like this. It has a little dome head. This is actually, I would recommend to use this for highlight, but lately I've been using it to grab like powder and then just tap on my lid. contour and bronze. So the bronzer that I've been using lately is my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in saddle. Just like this. And it looks like, and since I've used it a lot, it looks like this. Oh wow, Nana. We finna look like a toasted marshmallow or a toaster strudel. We're just gonna take that and blend it into the areas that we feel are huge. Just kidding. Put in the areas that we don't want to stand out. Contour helps you define the areas, and then bronzer helps you warm the area. Also, I lightly contour my nose. Like, I don't spend a lot of time on it, but I feel like I got a big old honker. And so I'll put some powder on it a little bit, like some bronzer, and I'll just run it down those areas like this. So now I'm gonna go and try and contour my, oh my god, my double chin. Ooh, I went hard right there. There's a big old dot. Now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia contour kit. That looks like this, and it's kind of busted already, like this. It's cosmetics, just an angled brush, but it's a contour bronzer brush, and it's a little dirty, but excuse me. It's gonna go in and add that to the areas we just bronzed. Remove the setting powder that we put on, and we're just gonna dust it off. And this is just a clean brush that I'm using, and I'm just like wiping it off. Usually put some setting powder right here to help this sculpt a little better. Pero like se me olvidó, so it's okay. Si se te olvida las cosas, if you forget stuff, sometimes, you know, you're in a rush, you don't beep bop boop beep 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 process. Let's go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. This is waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I just like lining the top of my eyelid to add a little bit of como que tengo eyelid, you know. So we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna get a little closer, or you know what? This camera has zoom, baby, so I'm gonna zoom. Okay. I'm just gonna go in and line. That's a little thick. I don't usually go that thick, but you know, like, it's thick Monday. I was gonna say thick Tuesday or thick Thursday, but como que se me chispotearon los días. I'm gonna zoom you back out. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. But I usually curl my lashes before I put the eyeliner on, because then it messes up the eyeliner. Sometimes it like takes the eyeliner off. But this is a really good eyeliner. Like, if you need a good liner, I highly recommend the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. You know what I'm saying? It looks like this. This is the sample kind. I got this one for my birthday. I'm going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara. Zoom back out. Whoa. I'm gonna be using the Batty B lashes in Batty. If you have not checked out these lashes, by the way, Batty B, if you wanna like, you know, make me an affiliate, I'm feeling that. Let me know. I'm about that life. You about that life. Then I'm gonna use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. It looks like this. While I'm waiting for the glue to get tacky real quick, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. And I'm using my Becca Jaclyn Hill palette. Ooh, yes. Feels so cute or whatever. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply our lashes. If you want a lash tutorial, let me know. I can help y'all. More than welcome to. You know, been wearing lashes for years. Junior year in high school, I remember, like, I used to walk in class and my eyes would be like, "What's up, everybody?" If y'all want a tutorial on lashes, let me know. I'll I'll do that. I'll hook y'all up, know what I'm saying? I love lashes. Without lashes, I feel like a naked mole rat. Ready? Ready, ready, ready? I've arrived. Natural lash who? Natural lash where? Who, me? Just kidding. If it was up to me, I'd wake up with lashes on. Pero like, no quiero que se me hagan like, you know, spiders or whatever. So, ooh, hunty, we look like a toaster strudel up in here. What I'll also do is I'll just go in under the lashes, like at the base, and just add a little bit of mascara there to adhere my natural lash to the false lash. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna dip into this Butter London palette like this, and I'm gonna dip into this color right here. Rub with my finger and put it right here. Wow, we look awake. And then put it over here on this side. It's just like a little pointy brush. It's a little pointy brush like this. And I'm gonna dip into that same shade, which is called Enchantress. Wow, look at that. Hunty. So you could stop right here, or you could add a little bit of highlight. Wow, that was bright. I did not expect that. I'm gonna use this Gold Deposit Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, and it looks like this. Sorry, but it looks like this and this. Oh my god, those. Look, watch. Oh wow, it just adds some extra, like, you thought I was a toaster strudel? Nah, I'm a honey bun. What I'm using for my lips is the Jane Iredale in Terracotta, and this is a lip liner. And I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna use my Dose of Colors Minnie Mouse collection. This is in shade Beautiful. It's like this. Mira, 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 mira. And this shade is so like pretty. And I'm just gonna apply right here, and right here, here, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful nude. This is our finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. Wow, Nana. Girl, hold up, zoom back out. I forgot some setting spray. Yes, Lord Jesus, thank you. It is my natural go-to look. Like, you could wear this anywhere, to be honest. And you keep in mind, you don't have to wear a big lash like this. This is just my preference. I love, 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 love lashes. I feel like a look is not finished without lashes. My preference as well. If you like more videos, just let me know. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I'm so happy that you guys have watched this far, and I hope to mingle with you guys later. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.